Welcome this video. Artistic into natural tiny cabin in the world are today into the fast paced world is this year hustle and bustle of city life have native been story as urban landscape growing and under living become more connect those technology mean people are here far simpler mean placeful fact is growing trend have less to be restrict of tiny cabinet in the world often a fashionable retreat are those sleep salt in nature. The appear of tiny cabin are more than just smart house than purpose of living style shift reward minimalist or centrability with footprints often under 400 square inch those cabin there of those on what's meal connect with natural love one and oneself. The smart space footing you can record not just your home but you mean as well every image in a tiny cabin have a foot your you got not just your home but you mean as well even image in a tiny